Hello everybody. Today we're gonna be. Oh, Paisley, what are you doing here? Whatever, I'll have some mercy for you. Oh, by the way, I forgot to introduce ourselves. We are the Gibberish Crafts, and oh my gosh, these friends are so hushed or whatever. So, welcome to the Gibberish Crafts, and today we're gonna be teaching you how to make a doorbell, which is really, really cool because I'll just show you how it works when they get off this roller coaster. Goodbye, minecart. Not gonna miss you, but anyway, bye. So now we're gonna go over here because now, we're gonna So this is gonna be the doorbell. I've just placed it wrong, so my door opens along with my doorbell. So open your ears and you'll be able to hear it. See? Hear that? So today we're just gonna be teaching you how to make that. So what you're gonna need.
So we'll be making one more house also right now to make the new doorbell over there maybe.
Okay, but the materials you're gonna need is one house and
this part you really should start forward.
yeah, because you cannot do this without a house or someplace you wanna put it
You can
in.
just make a small hut and just try it out.
Yeah.
If you like it, you can make a house and
Or do it in your existing house if you have an existing house, which you probably do. Oh, and did I do that? So we're just gonna make a small little hut thingy and pretend that this will be a door. Actually, wrong place. I have a redstone circuit right here. Okay, so imagine that if this is the door, you're gonna need the space behind this to make your doorbell. Okay, so we're gonna need a what do you call it?
button.
Yeah, a button, which is very necessary because that's gonna be your doorbell. We're also gonna need a redstone lamp and some green wool, lime wool, redstone, one redstone, and what else do we need? One redstone repeater. Yeah, and the other stuff we don't really need it. And that's all you're gonna need. One button, one redstone lamp, one lime wool, one this, and one that. Oh wait, we're also gonna need note blocks. Wherever they are. Note blocks, note blocks. So first you're gonna have to put it over here, the redstone lamp, and your button over there. In this case, the doorbell. Shoot. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this. So we're gonna have to put one lime wool right there, one above it, one over here, and then we have to just wait a minute. I forgot the design. OMG, how could I? So just wait 1 second. Let me just show you what it looks like. So behind my bookshelf is the. So oh my gosh, my mistake. You're gonna have to build this here, a note block here, this here, and that there. Okay. So now we're just gonna. Oh my gosh, what are all these barnyard animals doing in my house? So that is just wrong. So Like I said, this is really annoying. Okay, by the way, you don't need that line will there. Okay, and then you're gonna put a redstone right there and a repeater right there. Make sure it's facing that block. Click the repeater 3 times. Now, hit this one 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one 8 times. In this case, I've already done it thrice. So that should be 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now take a look at this. That's your doorbell. Voila. And it's just about night time. So thank you for watching and hope you subscribe and leave a like.